friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Ravencoin. What's the price change occur in the Ravencoin, what's the high price of Ravencoin, I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right now for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency market. Now let's see the price prediction of Ravencoin. What's the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour. First of all, we check it out the last 1 hour result of Ravencoin. As you can see here, absolutely good result of Ravencoin in the last 1 hour. As you can see here, the graph tell us that they are jumping upward. As you can see here, jumping upward, but currently I think they are also in the jumping, and soon they are across $1 inshallah, as you can see here. Now let's see what's the changes occur in the Ravencoin in the last 1 hour. Is about positive 1.99% change occur in the Ravencoin in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Ravencoin is about $0.188677 is the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. Let's see the live price prediction of last 2 hour. What's the price change occur in the last 2 hour? Let's see the 2 hour result of the Ravencoin in the market. Oh my godness, what's this? As you can see now on the graph, the reality is see, and this time as you can see here, they are falls down in the last 1 hour. In the last hour, which I show you in the start of this video, the last 1 hour they start jumping upward. In the previous last 1 hour they take a fall. As you can see here, the previous last 1 hour is a dumping time, and currently last 1 hour is a jumping time at the Ravencoin. So that is the live price prediction you are watching now, and the changes is about positive 0.09% change occur in the Ravencoin in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Ravencoin is about $0.188677 is the high price of Ravencoin in the previous 2 hour. So that is the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. 1 hour you are watching now on ABS Tech channel. So if you want this type of more videos, so kindly hit the subscribe button right now for more this kind of videos.